Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix blue screen hypervisor error. To start, right-click on the Start menu and then click on Terminal Admin. Select Yes to access. There, you are going to execute the command Bcdedit /set hypervisorlaunchtype auto. Press Enter. Finally, complete the process by restarting the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.